Welcome in our final game of the night, our final consolation game here on the boys' side, as we've got the Fort Wayne Fury and the Hawai'i Volcanoes. The Fury in the black and gold, the Volcanoes in the white and gold, as the final night, the final game of the Utah Top 50 here from the Lifetime Activity Center on the campus of Salt Lake Community College. Inside, good find. And that one good for Josh Checketts. Like we've seen from Checketts in the top 50, he's been going to be a good player for Coach Miller out at Layton High School. A couple Layton players in this top 50, but he'll give, again, some size on the interior for that Layton D is on the run. That's a dangerous pass, and just kept in here. Cooper Harris on the run. That was Caden Jackson who saved it, but giving up on the other end. And it is the Volcanoes here on the offensive end. Worked around, open three on the way from Fauneloth. That won't go. Rebounded by Checketts. Another attempt. Goddard, his three is off the mark. Fury coming ahead. Jackson. A little turnaround. That shot good. That's Owen Bodden out of Cedar Valley with the first bucket for the Fury. Turned over. That three, no. Rebound by Godridge. Fulmer. Another Layton Lancer. Here's the three from Harris. Won't go. Offensive board. Tracked down by Jackson Brown. Tough shot in the paint there. Won't go. Worked around, trying to feed Bodden. Bodden the turnaround, no. Up the floor, how about that? Nice run out there for the Volcanoes. 4-2 lead. Good drive, Cooper Harris. Tying it back up. Fulmer looking inside for Checketts. Great positioning. Established for the Volcanoes, 6-4, the advantage. Oh, nice job creating, but just left that short. Worked around. Here's Jensen. Drez skipping across. Jackson will try for three. The Olympus Titan with the three-pointer for the Fury, as we'll get substitutions. Rosevear working in, Checketts. He'll turn around, just a little short. Rebound by Ridge Lundgren. The Rich Rebel. See aforementioned McCade Roll. Talked about him in the last game. Junior out of Skyview. Dom will take this three, no. And a rebound there by Lundgren. Roll on the drive. Nice surge there for McCade. 9-6, quickly up the floor. Saved in, but goes to Brown. Fury coming up inside. Quick shot is short. Saved, but it goes to Fauneloth, and the Volcanoes on the run. Good patience. That shot wouldn't go. Tapped over, and second opportunity good there for Jack Godridge. Here's Higbee. Spinning, left it short, got his own miss, and put back. And they'll have substitutions for the Volcanoes. Three on the way. That one rattled in. Bradley Easton with the tray, and we're tied up at 11. Easton, young man out of Brighton High School. Higbee trying to back down Hunter Jackson. And fouled here, and that'll be an and one for Higbee. Jackson on the drive, quick first step, but boy, missed the opportunity. Here's Higbee running the floor. Oh, another and one for Higbee. Back-to-back threes for the senior out of Highland. Simon, little turnaround, no. Here comes Roll. Trying to initiate the fast break there. Was looking up for Jay Schneider. Out of East. Stay here with Fury. Higbee will take this shot. That is short. And the Volcanoes coming ahead. Easton, back to Jackson, fed inside to Checketts. Off the window, nice job using the big man. Brown trying to skip that along the baseline. Roll, he'll take the three. Won't go, Checketts the board. Jackson giving to Easton. He'll try for three. That one just missed. Here's Brown. He'll take the three. No. Simon the rebound. Nearly lost it. Ball's on the floor. Roll has it. Up ahead for Schneider. Defense leading to offense for the Fury. Oh, another one right at the rim that Jackson just has come off the rim. Being able to free up good looks. There's been something on that east rim all night. Been a tough area, a tough end to shoot at. Oh, Checketts got great positioning inside. Jackson able to help lead him to the rim. And the 6'8" senior out of Layton knows what to do with it there. A three, no, on the attempt there for Lundgren. Here's Roll straight away. That three won't go. Simon coming up the floor. Easton works back out. Jackson Taylor from Lone Peak. He'll take that shot. Won't go. Here's Checketts. Higbee. This is a long two. No. Transition three. Taylor. Jackson Taylor entering his senior year at Lone Peak. Boy, tough. Shot there for Brown. Jackson works over. Easton, his three is good. Back-to-back threes for the Volcanoes as they retake the lead here, 21-19. What I think is an 11-2 run. Brown, his three is short, and Easton with the rebound. Jackson trying to work around Lundgren. There you go. Couple of rare misses for Taylor at the rim, or for Jackson at the rim. That one, well executed shot for Hunter, young man out of Woods Cross. You see the recognition and finish. Cooper Harris feeling that lane open up, able to take advantage. In for Checketts. Double team coming over. Lundgren, boy, played that well. Got the hands up and the steal. Now pushing ahead for the Fury. On the drive, Brown. Reverse won't go. Jackson looking up the floor for Easton. A three for Brown. That is short. Jackson another rebound. Inside of 3.5 to go here in the opening half. What a move. Jackson feeds Checketts. And a foul will send Josh Checketts here to the free throw line. Lundgren looking in for Bodden, couldn't connect. Quick turnover for the Fury. Rosevear across the timeline. For the Volcanoes, he'll take this three. John Rosevear. I think the largest lead of the game now for the Volcanoes at 9. And for Bodden. Bodden to the middle, nice move. Fulmer works back to Funnelloth. Easton trying to drive. Just a touch strong. And on the backside, that was Caden Jackson with the rebound. With 90 seconds left, it will be Fury basketball. Cut without the basketball. Caden Jackson able to find Cooper Harris. And Into the corner, Fulmer working up. Dom on the drive. And not a lot of room to work. That blocked out will stay here. Just over a minute left. Rosevear. Tough drive, contact, and John Rosevear will head to the free throw line. Rosevear rattles it in. 32-25. Giving back to Harris. Cooper, quick pull up, won't go. Rosevear pushing it ahead. Dom will take the three. That one was long. Harris, nice job running lanes. Wouldn't go, but the putback there for Bodden. Easton fouled, and Bradley Easton with 17 seconds will take a trip here to the line. Ten seconds left. Back to Bodden. Into the corner. Jumper. No. And that'll do it. Halftime 34-27. Volcanoes leading the Fury in the Utah Top 50.